A second possible tornado has been reported in the News 2 viewing area from yesterday's storms. For more on that, let's go to Josh Breslow at the WKRN.com alert desk.
Yeah, Nikki, so the National Weather Service taking a look at photos to figure out if a tornado did touch down yesterday over in Coffee County. Holly England snapped those photos around 11 yesterday morning and says there was clear rotation. Take a look there. The photos taken as she drove with her 3-year-old child on Blanton Chapel Road headed toward Highway 41, that is west of Manchester in Coffee County, again around 11 o'clock yesterday morning. We can't tell you from emergency officials there were no reports of any damage or injuries in that area. The National Weather Service, though, hopes to have a determination by tomorrow. We already know that an EF1 tornado with winds of 95 miles per hour touched down not too far away in Tompkinsville, Kentucky. That was about 3 hours earlier, though. We do have all this information right now on our website. Head over to WKRN.com to read more.